Hi guys, Lloyd here from Ice Coach Online, and today we're going to be answering the question, can ice dancers jump? Ice dancers are of course known for their beautiful edges, their partnering skills and their smile in their programs, but can they jump? That's the real question. And to answer this question, joining me today, I have my friend Maxim Sporodiev.
Hi guys.
Did I mess up your name?
Nice to be here. Nice to try some jumps on the dance equipment. So we'll see what we're gonna do.
Okay, now Maxim here, he is an elite level ice dancer. 5th in Europe, 11th in the world, 14th in Olympics. So we're gonna see if such an elite ice dancer can knock it out the park with the jumps. So let's start by taking a look at Maxim's equipment. Then he's going to warm up his single jumps. Then he's going to warm up his double jumps. Then he's going to warm up his triple jumps.
What? You said just doubles.
No.
So guys, I'm gonna show you. I use like the regular Adea ice dance boots. It's called flamenco ice, and also regular ice dance blades from MK. They call dance blades. So they are a little bit shorter here on the heel of the blade. They have just small the toe peaks. They are different of freestyle. It will be interesting for me to try the jumps. All right guys, let's warm up some jingle bells, jingle all. Let's warm up some single jumps. Let's go. Be careful with the toe peaks. That was a single jump flip. The dance blades, the toe peaks are a little bit smaller, so I have really concentrated to jump straight, because small mistake and I can fall and have fun. Now feel that on the landing, the little bit smaller blade said to me like, man, you have to land very chow. Okay guys, the small warm-up with single jumps finished, and we can start to try the doubles. But I'm a little bit nervous because of the smaller toe peaks and the shortest blade. I will try to be brave and figure it out. Try toe loop. I think the toe peak jump is the most dangerous loop, right? Yeah. Okay. That was for me like double twizzle actually.
You reckon you can do flip with the dance blade?
Also dangerous like a toe loop, but I will try. I will try.
Max, the flip looked pretty good.
Probably. I never jumped it.
Which one's the most scary jump you did so far?
The most scary jump for me, it's lots. Okay. I'm really afraid to do this, to go out of the blade.
Yeah, okay. So let's go some triple jumps now.
Okay.
So while Max is warming up his triple jumps, you might be wondering, yeah, maybe Max can do all these jumps, but what about other ice dancers? So as I was an ice dancer myself, let's give it a go and see what I can do. I'm not as brave as Max. He's got a lot of courage. I have a lot less courage, but let's try some axles to start us off, okay? So we'll see. I didn't jump for a long time. Well, I did it, but I lost the microphone. Where can I clip here? Okay, I try it again. Okay, round 2. Let's keep the microphone. By the skin of my teeth. So to show you the equipment that I'm working in, I've got myself a nice broken wristboard dance boot, so it's quite weak, you can see. I've been skating quite a while in it, so it's offering me no strength at all. But I have a free skating blade, so fortunately the free skating blade is helping with the stability a bit, but I do worry for my ankle. But I have to say, it is not as bad as when I had the rental skates on. So, what do you think? Maybe double loop. How about that? I didn't do one for maybe 16 years, so we try. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be very wild. It's nerve-wracking. Oh. I don't think I can do it.
That was 2 good rotations.
Oh, that hurt, man. I knew I was nervous for a good reason. So I'm not sure I'm going to try another one of those right now because I thought that when I was going to take off, I was going to wipe out and fall, but I didn't fall, but I jumped and then I under-rotated, dropped my right side and fell anyway. And it kind of hurt and I'm a little nervous, but like I said, Max is a lot braver than me. So he says he's going to do a triple loop.
I also afraid. Cut. I think I can try double axel.
Now, while the ice is being resurfaced and Max is psyching himself up to try a double axel and some triple jumps, I'd like to take a moment to talk about our sponsor for this video, which is Skillshare. Now, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. You can discover new skills, expand your knowledge in existing passions, and get yourself lost in creativity. Now, I was more than happy to work with Skillshare for this video because I actually learned everything I do for Ice Coach Online through Skillshare. I've been using them for many years. I learned how to film and create videos, edit videos, build websites, all sorts of things, all thanks to Skillshare. One class in particular that was very helpful for me was called Video on a Budget. Prepare for your shoot without breaking the bank by Christopher. This course in particular really helped me to get ready to prepare my shoots when I'm making videos for Ice Coach Online. Now, on their platform, there's no advertisements and they are always adding new premium content for you so you can stay focused and follow your creativity wherever it takes you. And the great news is that with an annual subscription, it's less than $10 a month. Now, the first 1,000 people to hit the link in the description below will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium so you can start to explore your creativity. Now it looks like they finished doing the ice. Let's grab Max and let's see what he's ready to do. Oi! Like a professional.
I just was like holding the position and thought like, when? It's good.
Well, I think it's pretty good. For an ice dancer who never jumps, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
He's a brave man.
I think that because of technique of the edge, like I felt quite good during the edge on the entrance, and then I just like hold. Also, I did jump when I was younger. I had 10 age, so I tried in solo, but I skated for ice dance 10 last years.
So basically, he tried jumping 16 years ago. Technique of the edge is working very good for Max today. Technique of the edge, it's not working for Lloyd. Let's put it that way. Definitely didn't work for Lloyd. Go.
Of double tulip and choreo sliding spinning movement, so...
I think you're inspired by my double loop personally.
Okay. Dawaj triple.
Dawaj triple. That was a pretty good effort. What do you feel?
I feel that not so much stability here because I wanted really to strong push from the toe peak. And I already feel on the landing that I don't have enough high for this cell, so I decided to do a parachute.
But maybe with the freestyle boot, you would get the better grip and you could go, right? Because for anyone who doesn't know it, when you try and pick with a dance blade, especially the MK dance blade, as soon as it goes in the ice, it starts to move. It doesn't go stable because the toe plicks are just, as we showed earlier, they're flat. So they don't go into the ice as well. This is a blade designed to do a beautiful twizzle.
For ice dance, exactly.
Yeah. not for a triple toe. And probably triple toe, the toe jumps in general are the worst jumps you could possibly try in a dance blade.
One more time.
That's up to you. Look at this.
Like this. I really feel that they're
Yeah,
moving.
no grip, just moves as soon as it goes in the ice. And the same on this one.
Previous was the same.
Yeah, exactly the same.
I can try now to put the toe like exactly.
Angle it down as you go in.
Yeah, ice dance technique jumps.
Hey, that was pretty good. So look, we have this time when he angled the toe down more, you see there's less movement, but still movement, so very difficult.
Yeah. Salchow is not a toe pick jump.
Salchow,
So
you think
maybe-
you can do Salchow?
We'll see, yeah, it depends on the edge, I think technique, I can try. Because I will not be afraid of the moving the toe pick.
Whoa! That was a good effort again.
That was good rotate. Look.
Yeah. Whoa.
So,
Painful now.
yeah, as I dancer, I can say that definitely people need to learn the technique of landing because the skating technique helps me to jump and I feel okay, but the landing.
You got a step further than me though. My skating technique didn't help me jump. Okay, so can ice dancers jump? Well, I think we can certainly conclude that Maxim can. As for all ice dancers, maybe not as well as Maxim, as you saw with me. I fell pretty hard on a double loop, did not fancy trying it again. But certainly Maxim, a very brave, very courageous ice dancer. He was willing to give everything a go. He did a very good job flying the flag for us ice dancers. Maxim,
Learn correct technique, guys. Work hard and everything is possible. I think, guys, check the group of Eteri Tutberidze. Did you know that she was a nice dancer and how many great skaters she worked with, she grew? So this is a very good example, I think.
a lot of world champions coming out of her camp in single skating, despite being an ice dancer. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think, even if it's just to congratulate Maxim for a job
Thank you.
well done with his jumps.